Hey there, is this thing on? I'm back. So let's just get right to the point as why I've been MIA. Started me a small business. Life has been crazy. We'll get into that in another video. Today, I have an unboxing. It is from GloTech. Yes, they sent me this product. Yes, I am super excited to try this out. This is a gifted little unboxing, but y'all, I am so freaking excited for this. All about the red light therapy masks. I know it's supposed to be good and help like your skin glowing and prevent aging and all the fine things, but we're gonna dig a little bit deeper. Thank you. Hi, Laura. Welcome to GloTech. Hope you enjoy your first face and collar mask. We have a face mask in here. And I'm not gonna lie, these look a little scary. We have the collar as well. So the collar is basically for the neck and the décolletage. Oh, she's kind of like flimsy. I'm not gonna lie, it looked very hard. It's very flexible. It's like rubber. You have the LED lights then here on the back, the cable that obviously goes to it. We have the controller. Obviously the end of the mask is going to plug into here. There is a clicker, cable. I guess, oh yes, to hold it basically around. So we have Velcros on both ends. This is basically going to be able to strap it around the neck. I have a cat now, in case you were unaware. His name is Bowie because I thought he was a girl when he was little. Now he goes by Bobos. And obviously you guys know Tula girl. She's cute, she behaves, she can stay. Do you love that they're neon yellow? I feel like I like that vibe. She's cute, she's fun. Oh, we have an anti-aging or an anti-acne option. Ooh, directions, I love that. She's tiny to read. They look like the inserts that you would put on for like goggles. And now for the main character of the film. Oh my gosh, yeah, she's scary. I believe that this is a serum. It doesn't really say too much. This will go around the neck and it'll just slide into the other loop to hold it nice and tight. Do we have any juice? Any juice? We do! I don't want to lose it all though right now, so we're gonna turn it off. So I just held it down about like 3 seconds, it shut it off. Once you turn it on, it'll automatically shut off after 10 minutes. I feel like you can always leave Velcroed. You can just slide it on and then tighten it behind your head. Yes, right now it is on anti-aging, anti-acne. Hold it down and she shuts off. And these eyepieces, actually, they do slide right on it. It really feels just like a goggle. There's like a ribbed edge in there where it has like an in-sync and it just sits right along in there. It sits further away from the face. You can see that right there. As far as how many times to use through week, because I will be coming back to you to see like the results and stuff like that, depending on what you're going for with the treatment, anti-aging. So it's saying to use it for 5 to 7 times per week for 6 weeks. Anti-acne, it is 4 to 5 times. I wanted to know like what are the benefits from red light therapy masks? Boost collagen production, so it will help reduce your fine lines and the wrinkles by stimulating the collagen and the elastin within your skin. Improve skin tone and texture. Ooh, I love that one because I have a lot of hyperpigmentation. It says reduces the redness, which I have, and then it has reduces hyperpigmentation and overall dullness, reduces acne and inflammation, speeds up healing, enhances circulation, improves blood flow by promoting a healthier glow, and help with lymphatic drainage, reducing the swelling. Oh my goodness. Every single time mommy wants to do something in the bathroom, like wash her face, he wants snuggle times. I'm so confused. Like, do I wear this with it? I don't think so. What is happening here? Oh my God. I have no clue. Here we go. We're just gonna save this for after. It has enough goopy on there that it'll survive until I'm done. I should put anything on my face after washing it before utilizing these. It's best recommended not to. That way, all of it can like penetrate fully into your skin. So you want clean, dry skin. And then you can proceed with your regular skincare afterwards. So let me put this stuff on. Oh my gosh, why is this so difficult? To be honest, I don't think that this top little piece is necessarily a must-have. We have a mouth hole to breathe. We have the eye holes to see. Don't mind me just showing up bedside. Hey there, baby. I feel crazy right now. 10 minutes have now passed. I have a lovely goggle ring around my eyes, so let's just never mind that and not pay that attention. I feel like if anything, and I know this is just the first treatment, it did absolutely actually nothing, but I do think it popped my freckles out a little bit more right now. I'm just excited to see kind of where this next 6 weeks take us. I hope you're excited that I am trying to make a comeback over here. Stay tuned. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more lifestyle content. I do a lot of different girly things, so if that is something up your alley, thank you again, GloTech and LED Aesthetics, for sending me these 2 items. I cannot wait to keep trying them and to see hopefully some beautiful glowing skin in 6 weeks time. And until next time, lovelies, I don't know if I remember how to do this. Stay lovely, lovelies. Bye-bye.